How to unsend message on Pinterest. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest. You'll be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the chat option. Now over here you're gonna find two tab updates and messages. Set it to messages. You're gonna find all of the conversation. Now open the conversation from where you wanna unsend the message. Now press and hold on the message that you wanna unsend. You're gonna get the option of copy and reply. Unfortunately, at the moment, Pinterest does not have this feature to unsend the message. You are only able to copy it or reply it. But if in the future Pinterest comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But right now, you cannot do that. Made this video to clear out the confusion whether you can unsend message on Pinterest or not. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.